Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please like, subscribe and share. Today I bought the Otamatone for my son. I had also the other one for him. This is a little bit big and this one is the small one.
Yeah.
So I want to show you the difference between those two and which one is better than other one.
Okay.
We don't have the big one yet, but I think the next time. Okay. So that's the place to switch on, off, and to add more volume. There is the low. There is the off. This is the off. You see? There is mediums and high volume. So we put high. We have already put the battery.
No.
And it is
No.
how. Fai tutte le cose che puoi fare.
No.
Tutte le cose che puoi fare, solo quelle lì. E se strisci? Vai. Strisci. Okay. So we have the small one. Let's open it and see how it is. Apri. Open. Già. No. Okay. I did it before, so it's okay. So this is the small one, the melody one. Because it's written melody, you see, so there is already the... It has the two button. The one is this one for the music and the other one for to change the music. So if you
Ragazzi,
that it's already started singing and the other one to change. Ok, e change.
Suonare da solo. Questo per sempre
Che c'è ancora?
musica.
You see, it change the music. For me, I think this is more better than that one. But there is another button like this one. Let's see. So it's seeing itself like that. This one, it's small, better, the round one. And this one, I think it's around the 3 batteries. Veloce però. Cambia la musica.